Hi, Melrose Park. Today we're going to learn how to use Hoopla to check out books, music, TV series, and more. Let's head over to mpplibrary.org, go to Digital Library, click Stream and Download, and then click on Hoopla. That'll take us over to hoopladigital.com. If this is your first time creating an account, let's get started. Click Get Started today. Enter your email address twice, then put your password that you'd like to create twice. Then click Agree. Now we're looking for our library, Melrose Park Public Library. Once you find that, click on it and then click Next. Go ahead and put in your library card number, put in the full number, and then put in your PIN number. Your PIN might be your birth date, 2 digits for the month, day, and year, then click Sign Me Up. You're all set. So now you can check out all kinds of books, audiobooks, movies, TV series, and more. You get 8 checkouts per month. You'll see all the titles that you checked out right on this page where it says currently borrowed. So far we have nothing borrowed yet, but let's go ahead and take a look at the audiobooks that are available. Here you'll see available to check out right away. There are no holds and no waiting. We also have music soundtracks from all different kinds of music genres. You can also take a look at comic books. There's plenty of graphic novels for young adults to check out. We can also check out TV shows and eBooks. You can click borrow and check it out right away, and you don't have to wait on a hold or wait for someone to return it or check back in. You can read, watch, and listen right away. Special note for TV shows, each episode is its own checkout. So it's per episode, not a checkout for the whole series. There are some great TV series on here, including from PBS, Nickelodeon, and more. So check out Hoopla, courtesy of the Melrose Park Public Library.